Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin, and for today we're going to talk about identifying the orientation of the graph of our quadratic function. So paano nga ba natin malalaman yung orientation ng graph ng ating quadratic function? So we know that the graph of our quadratic function is a parabola. So it is a parabola opening upwards or a parabola opening downwards. So paano natin masasabi na upward siya or downward siya? So ang titignan natin dito will be the value of A of our standard form or vertex form. So sa ating standard form, okay, kukunin natin yung value of A natin and compare it to 0. So if our A is greater than 0, then our parabola opens upward. So if our value of A is positive, then we can conclude na ang parabola natin is opening upwards. Now, if our A naman is less than 0, then our parabola opens downward. So, pag ang A natin is negative, opening downward siya. And that's it. Now, let's have some examples in identifying the orientation of the graph of our quadratic function. Okay, let's have this exercise. Given the quadratic function, let's identify the orientation of the graph. So, dito sa ating quadratic equation, we're given vertex form of our quadratic function. So, ang first step natin in identifying the orientation of the graph is to identify the value of A. So, yung A natin sa number 1 is 1. And since it is greater than 0 or it is positive, we can say that our parabola opens upward. Yan. Now, punta naman tayo kay number 2. So, ang A natin dito sa second item natin is negative 1. So, since our A is less than 0 or negative, our parabola opens downward. Then, let's proceed to our third item. We have here the value of A, which is equal to 2. So, compare natin siya to 0. We can say that A is greater than 0 kasi positive siya. So, our parabola opens upward. And that's it. Tada! Alright. Okay, let's have another exercise. Given the quadratic function, let's identify the orientation of the graph. So, since our quadratic equation here is written in standard form, ang kailangan lang natin dito is to get the value of A. So, ang A natin matatagpuan siya sa numerical coefficient ni x squared. So, for our first item, the value of A is equal to 3. Now, let's compare it to 0. Since A is positive, it will be greater than 0. So, expect natin that our parabola opens upward. Now, punta naman tayo sa ating next item. We get the value of A, that is negative 5. We compare it to 0. So, since negative siya, it is less than 0. Therefore, we will have a parabola opens downward. Now, punta tayo sa last item natin. Let's get the value of A. It will be negative 4. And since it is also less than 0, it will be a parabola that opens downward. And that's it. That will complete our exercise. Ta-da! Alright! And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.